What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and today we have a big day planned. We got a photo shoot with a blue Huracan that's owned by one of the local retail entrepreneurs here in Orange County and Newport Beach, and then we're gonna go car spotting. So we got a lot planned today. This video is gonna be a banger, so please subscribe if you're new. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and drop a like. I know you're gonna like this one. Let's get rolling with our day. Oh man. Whoa. That thing is sick. Alright guys, I'm out here at BC in Orange County today with this super sick wrap Lamborghini Hurracan. He's going to tell you a little bit about what he's done to the thing.
Follow me, we'll do the big tour. So under the hood, I guess you can say, or the rear, I've tuned it. I got the hex tune from VF Engineering, so shout out to VF Engineering, they hooked me up with that. I've done a full exhaust, and I have not touched the headers. The cats are built into the headers on these cars, so obviously it's not a true straight pipe. I have the stock Giano wheels. I just powder coated them black. What else did I do? I did the full atomic teal. This is a 3M wrap. Looks really good. I know the camera will make it look just like a flat blue, but once you see it in person, it's really stunning. I have the full Morph Auto Design Hydra Kit in dry carbon, right? The only piece that's gloss is the mirror, but that's the only thing that they make. They do not make this in dry, so I had to take the gloss. It's a front lip, which is actually two pieces, which is really cool. That's really rare to find. Most front lips are just one piece. Let's see, we have the side skirt. This is the Hydra side skirt, which I love because it's pretty subtle, it's not too extreme. And then we have the rear wing, again, which is kind of like a Formula One design. It's really nice. It has the two-piece right here. And that's probably the craziest thing of the kit. I'm more of a subtle guy. I don't like doing crazy stuff to my cars. I have the blacked out tips on the exhaust, and I have the carbon fiber license plate because I'm a baller.
Wow, jeez. That's so sick though. Shout out to the boy Julio for hooking this up. That is awesome. Anytime you're out here in the OC, hit him up. Put his Instagram over here. All right, for show, for show. All right, guys, here we go. We're gonna get in and go for a ride. This is my first time in a Lamborghini Huracan. So let's see how this is.
Phone calls. Annoying. You ever been in an Audi?
I've been in a V10 Plus.
Okay, cool. So obviously Audi bought Lamborghini, I think like 20 years ago. So you'll see some similarities, like this MMI right here, that's Audi, and then the e-brake. Because I had a S4 before I had this. I went S4 GTR this. And it was funny coming in here and seeing the same e-brake in this. I was like, wow, it's literally the same thing.
That's funny.
Let's see. So perfect. It's crazy how you go into drive like that. Reverses, you pull the whatever you call this, a little lever, and
that's interesting.
The jet fighter inspired button. Right
that's
there.
So cool.
I always ride in Corsa though, which is the track one. It stiffens up the car, and you can only do manual mode.
think so, yeah. I bet you get the craziest looks in this thing.
Oh yeah, dude. Yeah, I tell people if you're shy, don't buy this car, because you go to the gas station and you go inside and you get a drink, you come out, there's like 4 people waiting to talk to you. That's but awesome. I mess with people, man. I'm like, yeah, I'm a porn star, or I'm a drug dealer.
It could be anything out here.
And the funny thing is, people are so like close-minded, and like it's so in their mind out of their reach to have a Lamborghini that a lot of people will look at me being 31 and be like, dude, there's no way that that's yours. Like they can't conceive it. So some people, I tell them what I do, like real estate and everything, and they still, I can tell they don't believe me, and I'm just like, it's crazy. I have to be an athlete or like an entertainer. I can't be a business person, you know? It's crazy.
That's awesome though, you're doing good, dude. All right, guys, that is the end of that awesome photo shoot with the freaking beautiful blue Huracan owned by BC. Huge shout out to him and huge shout out to my boy Julio. Both of their channels description will be in the link below. Can't thank them enough for hooking it up while we're here in the OC. So now we're gonna head on down to LA and go car spotting, so stay tuned for that video. But if you like this one, please leave a like. If any of you have supercars out there and want your video with me to do this, I'd love to do it. This was a blast making this, so please leave a like, leave comments, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video.